whole sleep.
Might tip over. No?
Laying on YouTube.
That'll be funny.
She has a bird named Carmela, and she says it lands on her head, but she says she hates when the bird takes a bath, and she doesn't know when she cleaned out the bath for it. She's probably stinky water. She has to redo it, and it will take a bath, and then it'll land on her head, and it's, you know how if you smell a bird, you know it stinks because it's just a stinky bird, but you're not supposed to tell her that.
Oh.
And it's not a stinky. Well, because of the feathers smell, you know, it's all wet. Or so she's all, it lands on my head, and she picks at my ear, and she's all.
I knew that was gonna happen. I got it.